Hello, my punks and my skins. As I understand it, your skinhead cousin Oi Boy, the go-between for all of this, has ostensibly already explained to you that apparently we are looking to introduce some kind of a question and answer segment here at Station KFUX. Something that leans toward unrehearsed, spontaneous, relaxed informality. If this does something for you, well then that's fine with me, so pray, let us commence. After all, spontaneity is probably going to be the way to go. It turns out that over the years, a lot of you have been sending a whole avalanche of questions to him via the messenger service of Facebook and telephone textually. And what he did is he took all these questions and he wrote them out on a piece of paper, cut them into little bits, and he sent them to me. And what I was going to do was to read through all of them first so that I could offer to you some semblance of coherent answers. Then I read the first 3 questions out of the batch. What is your real name? What does the E stand for? How old are you? Kids, if you are afforded the opportunity to ask questions, the answers to which you really want to know, could you please strive to make those questions at least passively interesting? With that in mind, here we go. First question. What is it that you were drinking in that glass during your videos? This is sun tea, fresh brewed every day. What did you think it was? What is your opinion? Let us address this here and now, once and for all time immemorial. I could have sworn that I had pounded this into your skulls before. We have no use for opinions around here. I hate opinions. I'm not interested in your opinions, and I have no opinions of my own to foist upon all of you. I don't deal in opinions. I only deal in facts. I can only tell you what I know. So from here on out, here's what we'll do. If I get a question that's phrased like that, I'm going to revise it right there and then on the spot to something else. Say, what is your impression of? How's that? What is your impression of Ted Wheeler? That's the mayor of your alleged city, isn't it? Ted Wheeler? What is my impression of him? I have no impression of him. I've never met him, so how would I know? What I do know is that he's apparently a very unpopular fella right about now, and what I furthermore know, all the more so, is that within the scope of my memory, there has never been one single mayor ever that any of you kids have ever had anything good to say about. Ever! No punk, no skin, no anarcho kid has ever had anything nice to say about any mayor, to the best of my memory, ever. Including and up to this guy. Do you use a teleprompter in your editorials? A teleprompter, like a device that stands adjacent to the camera and has a rolling transcription? No, we don't use anything like that. We don't have anything like that at KFUX. No, unthinkably, what I have to do is memorize the entire piece and then use stop-and-go takes piecemeal. Which is why the presentation is sometimes so choppy. But in all honesty, we're lucky we're even able to do that. Why do you have a German spiked helmet on your desk? This? Why do I have this on my desk? Do you want me to put it in a chair and risk someone coming over here and sitting on it? I don't think the ceiling in this place could stand the impact. What was your favorite punk rock skinhead venue? A house show. A house show bar none. A house show is 1,000 times better than anything else out there. But I get the feeling that this means what is your favorite venue, like a bar or a lounge or saloon or something. And in that case, it would have to be the Satyricon. The Satyricon formerly the Satyricon downtown. That would have to have been my favorite. That place was actually a lot of fun. And the majority of my memories of my times there are largely untarnished even now. That was a place of chaotic musical mayhem. Yeah, the Satyricon. Well, until next time.